On June 1st, 2025, Ukraine executed a bold and unprecedented drone assault deep within Russian territory, targeting 5 military airfields in a meticulously planned operation dubbed Spider's Web. This marked Ukraine's most extensive long-range offensive since the onset of the conflict in 2022. Over 18 months in the making, the operation involved smuggling 117 drones into Russia, ingeniously concealed beneath the roofs of wooden cabins mounted on trucks. These mobile units were strategically positioned near the targeted airfields. At the designated time, the cabin roofs were remotely opened, allowing the drones to launch and strike their nearby targets. The assault focused on airbases located in the Murmansk, Irkutsk, Ivanovo, Ryazan, and Amur regions. According to Ukrainian sources, the attack damaged or destroyed at least 41 aircraft, including two 95 and two 22 strategic bombers and A-50 radar detection planes. These aircraft were reportedly used to bomb Ukrainian cities. Russian authorities confirmed that several aircraft caught fire due to drone strikes in the Murmansk and Irkutsk regions, though they claimed the fires were extinguished without casualties. They also reported detaining individuals involved in the attacks. President Volodymyr Zelensky hailed the operation as a significant achievement, noting that it targeted 34% of Russia's strategic cruise missile carriers at the affected airfields. He emphasized the operation's complexity and the ingenuity of Ukrainian forces in executing such a long-range strike. This operation underscores Ukraine's evolving military capabilities and its commitment to defending its sovereignty through innovative tactics. As the conflict continues, such strategic offensives may play a crucial role in shaping the dynamics on the ground.